Hello, Shannon. Hello, John. It's Devin again. Thank you for speaking to me on the phone yesterday, Shannon. In this quick video, I'm just going to show you 3 things I found on y'all's website you guys can fix super easily so you guys can start bringing in more business right away. I know you're probably wondering why the heck would I make a video like this for you guys? It's super simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of remodelers out there that are so busy taking care of their customers and completing jobs that they just don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more jobs. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them, they just don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some don't. Doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. Now I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. I wanted to first start off by saying though, whoever did your website, if it was you in-house or if you hired somebody, they did a fantastic job. The photos you have are immaculate. They're super nice. Like whoever lands on this page is obviously going to feel like, dang, I want to work with this person. Beautiful animations, beautiful design, beautiful fonts. Everything about this website is sick. It's awesome. Now, what Google mostly cares about is content. Content is just the stuff you can read on this homepage right here. It's all this text that you can go through, and it's also whatever your images are saved as. Oops, I click copy. All this, this also counts. So you want to have a lot of content on your page. The average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 words. That's kind of where you want to be sitting. So if I do Control A and then I copy and then I go to wordcounter.net and I paste your words in here, we're going to see that you have right now almost 1,500 words. But we need to take out the what our clients say because these are obviously on other websites. The only thing that counts is fresh content. It's not duplicate. So you have 730 words of fresh content. While if we go look at San Diego Kitchen Remodeling, copy theirs, go to wordcounter.net, and let's go see. Here you go. This one's got to go. We have 900 words. So it's only 200 words more than you. It's not really that much, but this is really good news because they're not at the authority mark either. So by getting yourself to that 1,500 words of fresh content, you're going to blow them out of the water. You also want to make sure you have some keywords inside of your content, though. A keyword is just a phrase somebody types into Google to find your business, such as like Kitchen Remodeling San Diego. And so if I take this and I copy it, and then I go over here, press Control F, and I paste it, and I drag it up, and I'll show you. I put in Kitchen Remodeling San Diego. You don't have it all on your homepage. It's one of the reasons why you're not ranking higher than them. So make sure you put that inside your content as you're getting up to that 1,500 word mark. You can also save your images as like, here you go, you did a good job here. Custom Home Builder San Diego or Kitchen Remodeling San Diego, stuff like that. So that's my first tip for you regarding content. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of other relevant websites linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. Now, the big thing here is you want to make sure you have relevant websites linking to you. So you're going to get a lot more power if you have other home remodeling websites linking to you or home builder websites linking to you versus if you had like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't have to use it. There's plenty of tools out there, but it just tells you what's going on in the back end of your website. And it says you have 170 websites linking to you, while your biggest competitor for Kitchen Remodeling San Diego Kitchen Renovation, these guys have 412. So right around triple what you have. So what I would recommend to do if I were in your shoes, I'd just copy these websites and get them linking back to yours, because if they're good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. And you can see it's like 6 times the amount of traffic, 776 versus 122. It's really simple. Just go visit each one of these websites that is linking to San Diego Kitchen Renovation and put these same websites linking back to you. Like I said, if these websites are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. The ones that you really want are going to be the ones that have to do with what you're offering. So like obviously construction right here, home, anything that has to do with like construction, home, building, stuff like that, design, stuff like that. So if you follow just those 2 tips, if you beat them with content and you get more websites linking to you that are relevant, that's how you take this #1 spot right here. The last thing I'm going to show you really quick is how to show up right here in the map pack. If you do want to show up here, you just need to bid higher than your competitors with ads, but that's really expensive. I'm showing you how to do free stuff here in this video. To get here, you need to be #1, or to get #1 here, you need to have more citations than your competitors. If you're wondering what a citation is, it's just whenever you put your name, your address, and your phone number in more directories than your competitors. So a citation is, yeah, like I said, name, address, and phone number. If you're wondering what a directory is, it's just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. What I would do if I were in your shoes is I'd figure out what directories Lars Remodeling and Kitchen Design was in. I'd put myself in those same directories and I add a bunch more on top. So like if they were in 150 directories, I'd be in like 300. And that's all I've got for you, Shannyn and John. I hope you guys found this helpful and informative. As a quick recap, you want 1,500 words of content on your homepage, and you want some keywords like Kitchen Remodeling San Diego inside your content, as well as saving your images as those. You want to have more websites linking to you than San Diego Kitchen Renovation. They've got 412. You've got 170. I would just add all 412 to your 170. Wow, I can't click. And just blow them out of the water. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories and Lars Remodeling Kitchen Design. If you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across all of Google. So you're probably wondering, what do I do now? You've got 2 options. Number 1, do this yourself. I recommend you get it done. It does save you a little bit of money, and it just takes some time. So I recommend getting started as soon as possible, because the sooner you get started, the sooner you start ranking and getting a ton of business. If you're too busy and you want someone to do this for you, feel free to give me a call or respond to this email. My phone number is 805-618-6426, and I'd be happy to at least put you on the right path and give you a plan. Thanks so much. Have a great day. See ya.